Hey guys, it's Tim. Today I want to share with you 3 key benefits of the Meraki Switching platform. First is Simplified Management. As a former network engineer, rolling out a lot of switches was always a pain. I'd have to individually manage each and every switch. But with the Meraki dashboard, you can simply create one generic template, put all my configuration there, apply it globally across one switch, 50 switches, or 500 switches. And then if I need to make a change, I can go to that template and apply it across all switches, or maybe I just need to change one switch port. I can go to that one switch itself. All cloud managed. So I can simply put in my order number, import all my switches, have my partner ship my switches to my remote sites, have remote hands plug in the switch goes to the cloud, downloads its configuration, away we go. I never have to touch the switch itself. Goodbye, Blue Magic console cable. And then I can quickly make changes. So I can pull up my dashboard here. I can search for HR ports. I can click edit. I can change these ports to access ports quickly here. And then I can go ahead and put these ports in VLAN 55, hit update 30 ports, and within 10 seconds I can make that network change. Super powerful. Integrated visibility and troubleshooting is the second major point. How many of you have been in a network where you get a call in the middle of the day, hey, network's running slow. What's going on? Well, here in the dashboard, I can show you over the last 2 hours, what are my top talking applications? Within that application, who are my top users? And then I can drill down and I can see where is that user in the network and what's going on that client itself. And then in the Meraki dashboard, I have built-in topology view. I can see all of my switches. How are they connected to each other? Where are the access points connected? Where are the phones connected? Get full end-to-end visibility. Say, for instance, I'm a help desk engineer. I get a phone call. I plug in the user's IP address or username in the filter. I can pull this client up, and then I can drill into this client itself. I can see what applications has this client been using over the last couple days or the last day. And then maybe I want to drill in and look at this client's port itself. So we see, okay, here's the client's port. They say things are running slow. Maybe they have a bad port. So we go ahead and we run a cable test instead of sending a desktop engineer out to the desk itself. So we're going to see this cable is going to test out okay. All right, well, maybe we want to go ahead and cycle this port because it's a phone that's connected. Or maybe we think that there might be something going on. So let's reset that. So we can go ahead and cycle that port itself. Or maybe I need to just get in and start doing packet captures. Maybe I'm convinced that there's something bad going on this computer. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to run a packet capture. I can get the packets here, or I can actually download them to a PCAP file and analyze them on my desktop. Last, one of my favorite features here is I can actually get a full topology view of where is this client connected in the network. So maybe we don't see anything at the client end, or maybe we don't see anything at the switch port, but we want to see the full path this client takes through the entire network to see if there's an issue maybe in the middle of its path. The last key feature that I really like in the Meraki dashboard, or key benefit, would be the integrated security. I can build a policy that's an isolation policy that says, hey, I can't talk to anybody else in my VLAN. I'm an HR user. I shouldn't have to talk to the guy sitting next to me. I only need to talk to my HR servers and the internet. I can also build an access policy that says, hey, I'm an IT user. I should only be in the IT network and only touch these IT resources. And then finally, we could set like a port schedule to say, hey, the ports in my conference rooms are only on between 8 and 5 during the day. So hopefully you can see quickly here on the Meraki dashboard these 3 key benefits. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative.